everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here again to share with you some Tai Chi, Qigong and low impact exercises that you can do at home. We are focusing on the Liver Meridian again today, so the Qigong exercises I have for you will work and cultivate that Qi energy in and around that meridian, and practiced on a regular basis you should feel lots of benefits, and I hope you do. Please let me know in the comments below. So I'm not going to spend much time talking about the Liver Meridian, I'm just going to go straight into the exercises. We're going to start with a short warm-up. Feet hip width apart. Our warm-up is just going to loosen up our body, get it ready for exercises. So we're just going to turn our head to the right. And back to centre. Let's turn it to the other side. Chin to your chest, so stretching out the neck. And then keeping the head under control, so we're not dropping it back, we're just lifting it up to the ceiling. Again, feeling that neck loosen, ear to shoulder. And the other side. Shoulder rolls. And the other direction. Bending our knees, knocking on the door, so twisting from the waist just as far as you can, making sure those knees are comfy, and making sure all the way through that all of the movements are performed within your own comfort zone. So listen to your own body and modify to suit you. Make sure it's comfortable and we're not pushing any of these movements too far. Feeling that spine loosen off. Let's come back to centre. Hands on our thighs. We're just going to roll down, feeling that spine roll and round. And again. Moving the feet. Just heel toe back and forth. The two exercises I have today associated with the Liver Meridian are called moving the hands to a press and pushing the palms sideways. So starting with the first exercise, feet hip width apart, and we're actually going to sink down into a mini horse stance here. So a little bit of a softening of the knees, still keeping that posture tall. And if you want a few tips on posture, then please check out the video above. All we are going to do is push one hand forward with the palm. And the Liver Meridian is also associated with the eyes. So I want you to eyeball the back of the hand here, focusing on the Lao Gong point here, this acupuncture, this energy point in the palm, really widening the eyes as we push. The other hand is drawing here to where the Liver Meridian finishes here, and then we are going to swap those hands. So pulling this hand back and we're pushing this hand forward again, gazing at this back of the hand here, focusing on this palm, and then we're just swapping them, getting into a good rhythm. Trying to coordinating the breath, so really try and get one breath in, one breath out as each hand comes forwards, adding that resistance Really feeling that push. I'm holding my knee bend, but if this doesn't suit, you can always keep your legs straight. And we're not locking out those elbows, even though the arm is straightening, still keeping those joints soft. Second exercise is pushing palms to the side. So I'm going to incorporate a knee bend, and again, you keep your legs straight if you prefer. We're going to bring our hands up and just bend the elbows here and then push out. I'm pushing out and I'm bending my knees at the same time. Really feeling that resistance, like I am putting my hands against two walls beside me, and then I'm drawing the hands back in. And at this point, I'm inhaling. So with that inhale breath, I'm drawing the hands in and then going to push back out, exhaling as I go. So inhale and draw, and exhale and push. Inhale and draw, exhale and push. Inhale and draw, exhale and push. Let's do a few more repetitions. Really quite simple exercises today. We're going to combine them both into a qigong flow. So first of all, going to push out with that starting hand, and then we're getting in a rhythm, focusing on those palms, eyeballing the back of the hand. Felt like quite a short sequence today with those two qigong movements, but nevertheless really got into a great rhythm, really felt that qi energy being developed, and feel a lot better for that very quick practice. Like and share and spread the word. Please support me and subscribe. It's free, all the content is free. It's so that you can join me and follow along at home with these great Tai Chi, Qigong and low impact exercises. See you again soon. Bye.